Install the controller onto the 1/4 screw hole without tightening. Pull out the shell and open the battery compartment. Battery installation instructions are printed in the battery compartment. Install the battery according to the schematic diagram. Close the battery compartment and complete the battery installation. Remove the controller in the end. Open the battery compartment, find the battery push-out hole. Push out the battery with a small hexagonal wrench. Insert the battery into the motor battery compartment. The motor will turn on automatically when it is powered on. Check whether the tail of the battery is completely submerged in the battery compartment. Ensure that the battery fully enters the battery compartment to avoid loosening and power failure. Press the battery first in the direction of the arrow, pull it out to remove the battery. If the hand is slippery, it is difficult to remove the battery. You can use the matching battery sticker. Increases surface friction to assist in battery removal. The front of the large handwheel device is the controller mounting slot. The 1/4 screw hole in the slot is used to install the controller. There are 7 1/4 screw holes on the back of the large handwheel device. It is used to expand the mounting handle or add other equipment. Install the handle connector with 2 1/4 screws, and then insert the handle to complete the installation of remote air rig. First, insert the controller into the installation slot, and be sure to insert it to the bottom, and then rotate clockwise. The screw is entered the screw hole of the controller. You can quickly rotate the big handwheel clockwise. After reaching the limit, tighten the controller firmly, and fixation. When the big handwheel is forcibly rotated, and the controller is no longer rotated, the installation is completed. Rotate the big handwheel counterclockwise, until you hear the, and then pull out the controller.